Hi, I'm Mark McKillier with liveanabolic.com, and I put together a fantastic workout for you guys. And the cool thing about it is it hits literally every single muscle in our body. And not only that, you can do it at home with absolutely no equipment. So it consists of 4 different exercises. We're only going to stop and rest about 10 seconds in between each exercise. That way it keeps our heart rate up, keeps our metabolism going, we burn more calories, and we get a good cardiovascular workout in addition to the muscle building workout that we're going to do. All right, so after those 4 exercises are complete, you're going to stop and rest for a minute or 2, catch your breath, and then do it all over again. So each one of those is 1 cycle. I want you to perform 2 cycles. Now, follow along. I'm going to get down on the floor in just a sec. I'm going to show you how to do the correct form on each of these 4 exercises, and then I'm going to do the entire cycle for you guys so you can follow along as I do it just exactly like I want you to. All right, the 4 exercises are Spider-Man push-ups, bird dog crunches, Bulgarian split squats, and then up and down planks. So follow along. I'm going to show you how to do the correct form on each of these exercises. Then we're going to do a complete cycle and you guys can follow along and watch me as I do it. So very first one, all right, these are called Spider-Man push-ups. These are really pretty fun and interesting. A nice twist on just a regular push-up. So get into your regular push-up position here, okay, guys? And so as we go down, okay, you're going to bring your knee up to an elbow on one side and then alternate from side to side. Now, guys, you're going to need to turn your head to the side that you're bringing your knee to. So as you come down, turn your head to the right, and you can kind of watch your knee come up and hit your elbow, okay? You're going to need to turn to that side. It's really important because it's going to help you keep your balance. All right, after that, we're going to do some bird dog crunches, okay? We're still down on all 4s here. All right, now get into like what I would call a normal bird dog position. So right arm out, left leg back, okay? And I don't want you to have your leg hanging down low like this. I want you to get it up, you know, at least parallel or the height of your butt or your back, okay? And then I want you to crunch and bring your right elbow to your left knee and back out again. 2, 3, okay, 4. We're gonna do 10 on each side, okay? And then the next exercise, Bulgarian split squats. Okay, guys, this is a tough one. And it's gonna be tough to video because it's gonna cut me off right here. It doesn't matter. The important part is you need to see my form from my chest down. I'm gonna be doing this with a chair, okay? You can be doing it, I'm gonna be doing this with a chair. Doesn't matter, you can put your foot up on a coffee table or a couch or just about anything. So I start with both of my calves back against the chair. Take just a regular length step out with my right foot. Left foot goes back up on the chair, okay? That's gonna be my balance foot. And I'm just gonna come straight down and back up. So basically what we're doing is a lunge, but we're staying in one place. We're not walking. And we got our rear foot elevated. Really tough exercise. So we're gonna do 10 of those, 10 on each leg, and then we're gonna finish it off. The very last thing we're gonna do is called an up and down plank. Let me show you how to do that real quick. All right, here we go. Get back into our normal plank position, okay? Nothing fancy here. And then we're just gonna go down onto our elbows one at a time, and then back up. That's 1 rep. So down, 2, down, 3. I want you to do 10 reps of that. So basically we're gonna do 10 reps of all the different exercises. Guys, you can tell I'm already out of breath just showing you how to do it. So this is not an easy workout. All right, let's do it for real now. Okay, very first exercise, Spider-Man push-ups. Let's do it. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, give yourself 10 seconds rest. I don't want your heart to slow down. Just get a few good, big, deep breaths of air. We're gonna move on to the bird dog crunches now. All right, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, switch it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, time for some Bulgarian split squats. These are killer. Whew. All right, feet back up against the chair. Back foot up. We're gonna do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo, baby, switch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Woo, 10 seconds rest. Catch your breath here, and not too long. Final exercise, up and down planks. There we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. Wow. Guys, man, we did chest. Welcome, Mojo here. My trusty sidekick has come to check on me. He doesn't want me to kill myself. Thank you, Mojo. All right, so what do we do? 4 different exercises. We hit our chest, shoulders, triceps, our core a lot, and our lower body. Basically, almost every single muscle group in our lower body. So, guys, after you do this, depending on your fitness level, rest anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes, and then you owe me 1 more cycle. So 2 cycles total. And for you guys out there who are in really good shape, I want you to do what's called a fitness level adjustment. That's just a term I like to use. So if this is too easy for you, that's great. Alter it, listen to your body. So instead of doing 10 reps, do 15 on everything. Instead of doing 2 cycles, try 3 cycles. And then for you guys where you just can't make it through this exercise, I don't care, you're gonna try anyway. So if you can't do 10 Spider-Man push-ups, maybe you can only do 3. Do 3, stop, catch your breath, do 3 more. Stop, again, do 3 more until you get to the 10 reps, okay? Then stop for 10 seconds and move on to the next exercise. So I want all you guys who are beginners out there to still get 10 reps in, but I don't care if you can't do them all at once. Just rest a little bit after a few reps and keep going until you get your 10 reps in before you move on to the next exercise. Okay, guys, to wrap it all up, there are no excuses to not working out. You can do this in your hotel room. You can do this when you're traveling at home. How long did this take? You know, 10, 12 minutes total, including all the rest time. Always, guys, you can get a great workout in. And don't forget, be sure and subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss any of this great content that we put out on a regular basis. And click that little thumbs up button right below the video here. Be sure and like it. Share it with your buddies and post comments below because I want to know what you guys are thinking. And remember, always stick with it and never give up on yourself.